Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want to master making great cocktails, you need to have the right bar equipment. This cocktail mixing glass from Etens is beautiful and works so well for mixing cocktails. It is a 24-ounce crystal bar glass that makes stirring your cocktails so simple. I really appreciate the design of this mixing glass. It has some amazing weight to it, so you don't have to worry when you are stirring your cocktail about making sure you're holding on tightly, because it's not gonna go anywhere. And it has this great diamond pattern that gives you a really good grip when you're holding the glass as well, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hands. The drinks mix so well in this and they pour out so nicely. I have really enjoyed making cocktails in this mixing glass. I pop it in the freezer before I'm going to be making my cocktails, and it stays so beautifully cold and chilled, and all of my drinks have been coming out absolutely amazing. So this old-fashioned mixing glass is just the thing that you need to add to your bar setup if you want to have the best stirred, not shaken cocktails of your life. And that is my point of view.